BJP's Prime Ministerial nominee Narendra Modi didn't reprimand the Sena's Ramdas Kadam when he promised to tackle Muslims after coming to power. But today he tweeted to tick off the chest-thumping, unapologetic poster boys of hate. Without naming the old troublemaker Praveen Togadia and Bihar's strongman Giriraj Singh, Modi asked hate-mongers to back off. But is this just posturing to project an inclusive image?
Modi taking on Hindutva hardliners. Modi ticking off the hate mongers. After Giriraj and Praveen Togadia's remarks went viral, BJP's PM nominee was said to be upset. Early morning on Tuesday, he decided to let the world know himself. Modi declared on Twitter.
Petty statements by those claiming to be BJP well-wishers are deviating from issues of development and good governance. I disapprove of any such irresponsible statements and appeal to those making them to kindly refrain from doing so.
A direct rap for Togadia and Giriraj, who stayed unapologetic and unrepentant.
मैंने जो कुछ कहा अब कोर्ट में चला गया है, कोर्ट में सब जुडिश मामले हैं। मैं संबंधित न्यायालय का सम्मान करता हूं, कानून का सम्मान करता हूं। मैं कानून के तहत न्यायालय में अपनी सफाई दूंगा।
Modi's tweet was followed by a warning from Arun Jaitley. He too sang the good governance tune and asked well-wishers to exercise restraint. The Congress dismissed the gambit as Modi's doublespeak.
Is good governance. That is why you have such fantastic statements like that of Mr. Giriraj, like that of Mr. Praveen Togadia. Are these not intrinsic, integral members of the so-called Parivar, a word which has been insulted by the BJP? And if this is so, why does Modi not expel Mr. Giriraj Singh? Why does he not take stern action against Mr. Amit Shah? These crocodile tears, this Noora Kushti friendly matches will not do. The Janta knows the truth.
The BJP lapped it to project a mellowed Modi.
ट्वीट जो है वो कांग्रेस पार्टी की असंतुष्ट आत्माओं को संतुष्ट करने के लिए नहीं था। उन्होंने ट्वीट किया हम जो इस तरह के भी जो बातें हो रही हैं वो मुद्दे हम चाहते हैं कि मुद्दों पर चुनाव हो। कांग्रेस पार्टी को तो हम नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि कांग्रेस पार्टी तो उसको तो मुद्दों पे बात ही नहीं करनी है।
BJP's PM nominee has been working hard to project a softer image. Togadia's statement in particular was seen as an attempt to throw a spanner in the game plan. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.